Commercial kitchens generate grease and debris every single shift. When left alone, this residue builds up inside plumbing systems to slowly choke off the flow of water, leading to foul odors, backed-up drains, and expensive emergency plumbing visits. We can prevent those blockages by implementing a consistent, step-by-step routine maintenance process at the end of every night. The exact tool for this job is BioPure Fog Pro, a professional-grade biological drain treatment explicitly designed for high-volume food service environments. Before we apply the treatment, we need 3 things ready to go: the kitchen's final end-of-shift status, our bottle of BioPure Fog Pro, and a standard measuring cup. Mastering this simple checklist shifts a kitchen completely away from dealing with reactive plumbing emergencies and puts a proactive, invisible maintenance plan on autopilot. Step 1 is timing the application process. All major dishwashing, floor sanitizing, and active cooking must be completely finished for the night. The most common failure in this process is pouring the treatment while the kitchen is still operating. During an active shift, the continuous flow of hot water from sinks and dishwashers will physically wash the beneficial microbes down the city sewer lines before they have a chance to anchor to the walls of your drain pipes. We also have to prevent chemical interference. Do not use bleach, heavy chemical sanitizers, or harsh degreasers in the drains immediately before or after applying the treatment. These harsh chemicals will immediately kill off the beneficial bacteria cultures upon contact, rendering the biological treatment completely useless. A perfectly quiet, fully closed, and chemically neutral kitchen is the absolute mandatory canvas for a successful biological treatment. Step 2 is measuring out the dose. Put on standard commercial kitchen PPE, like a pair of gloves, before handling the product. Pour out only the specific small dose designated for your facility's drains directly into the measuring cup. Resist the urge to over-pour the liquid. BioPure Fog Pro is a super concentrated professional formula. Because the microbial density inside the bottle is so high, you only need a minimal volume of liquid to deliver a massive biological payload into the plumbing. Sticking strictly to the precise measurements prevents product waste and ensures your daily biological routine remains highly cost-effective for management. Step 3 is application. Take the measured dose and pour it directly down the grates of your floor drains and the drains of the 3-compartment sink. What separates BioPure from conventional drain products is its carrier system, proprietary Deproteinized whey. Inside the pipe, Deproteinized whey acts as a nutritional platform, waking up dormant bacterial spores instantly. It provides necessary nutrients for rapid activation, allowing bacteria to firmly anchor themselves. This established workforce then continuously consumes the thick grease and trapped debris in the system. Next, take your required dose and pour it directly into the main grease trap, or the floor drain located closest to the trap. These specific bacterial strains were explicitly engineered to survive, reproduce, and operate efficiently in the extreme, high-grease environments found in food service facilities. The application process leaves behind a continuous, living, grease-eating workforce, strategically placed in the darkest parts of your facility. Step 4 is the overnight lockdown process. Once the product is poured, turn out the lights and leave the kitchen sinks entirely alone. This is the strictest rule of the entire process. There must be 0 water or chemical usage in any of the treated drains until the morning shift arrives. The microbes require this undisturbed overnight window to fully disperse through the complex plumbing runs and maintain their microbial stability. The hours when the kitchen is completely inactive are the exact hours of peak biological activity inside your pipes. When the morning shift arrives, the drains are ready. Water rushes powerfully and smoothly through a clean system without backing up. Maintaining this pristine flow state requires strict consistency. The biological treatment process has to become a standard, unquestioned line item on your closing checklist. Integrate BioPure Fog Pro into your closing routine tonight to keep the kitchen flowing smoothly and permanently drive down expensive emergency maintenance costs.